How to install Badlion client the updated way with Lunar client. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is open up any preferred web browser that you want to use on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome to download the official Badlion client. Now, from your search box, just simply type in badlion.net/Minecraft-client. And this is going to be the Badlion official page. So all you have to do is to click on the download client, and then you will be prompted to choose the operating system that you're using so that you can download it appropriately. So for example, you're using the Mac operating system, click on that and hit on download. And Badlion client is now launchable through Lunar client. You just have to pick on the appropriate operating system you have. Once you've downloaded it, make sure to install it. And this is the Badlion from Lunar client. Now to initiate that, just go to settings and just type in Badlion and make sure that you have or you will tick this box. This is opt-in to launch Badlion versions in the launcher, and then just simply close this window again, and there you have it. And that is how you install Badlion client the updated way with Lunar client.